Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I am Lerny. How you doing? How you doing? It's another slay day. Today I'm using 90% right. I'm using 90% Ghanaian brand to achieve this look. So kindly watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also comment, like, and again subscribe. So now that the intro is out of the way, let's play. I'm starting with my acai body butter to moisturize, and I'm just going to make sure that I work that properly into my skin. And then after that, I'm going to use my So Aesthetics Super Invisible Primer. I have a normal skin, so I put my primers all over my face. So after doing that, I'm going in with the Aleo. This is an illuminator from Yaba Naturals. So I'm just going to work that all over my face as well, because you're going for a glowy look. So we want a glow to shine bright like a diamond. You understand? Yes, thank you. So I'm going in with my So Aesthetics pencil. This is the brow pencil, and they have one shade. This is in dark brown, so it works for all skin tones. So the darker you are, the heavier handed you will be. The lighter you are, the lighter handed you will be. Yes, so I just outlined the brows. Wow, I'm filling it in, and then I'm going to go with my BVEE brow mascara. This is in soft brown. I love this product because it just gives your brow that, you add that oomph to your brow. And then I'm going to use my Revolution Ultra Cover and Conceal palette, using those two shades at the top to clean underneath the brow and just make sure that I properly define under my brows, clean it up because you want it nice and sharp. I'm going to go into my So Aesthetics Ultra Coverage Fluid Foundation, and then I'm using that to define the top of my brows. This is in the shade Asantewaa, so I'm just using that to define the top of my brows nicely. And then I'm going to show you in a minute how the pencil shows up, so you see there's still a difference. So yeah, now my concealer crease. So I went ahead to do one eye. I'm doing the other eye on camera. I'm just blending out the concealer now, and then I'm going to set with my benign Camel powder. I'm setting all over my lids with this, and then we're going to get ready and do our eyeshadow. I'm using the BVEE eyeshadow. This product is growing on me because the pigmentation, ha! I'm using the shade Sister, Burn, and Fantasia. So that's what I'm going to use to create this look. I'm first going in with Sister. So I'm just going to use that to, create my halo. Going to just create it and leave the middle. So after I pack on the product, I'm just going to lightly blend the edges so that I have my blown out look that I'm going for, because I want it to blend into my skin properly. We don't want any harsh lines, you dig? Yes. So I'm going with my benign clown white for that halo eye, and I'm using my finger because, like I said, we are going for a super blended and nicely put together eyeshadow look. So I'm just beating and blending the benign into my skin, and oh, was I amazed. See, this glitter is like, you see, this pigment is like pressed glitter, you understand? So it's just sweet. Like, listen, I'm just blending the edges of the shimmery eyeshadow. I'm using Burn to just blend it and bring everything together. And we're done. It's very easy. You see, once this eye is done, we're going in with the So Aesthetics Sheba Black. This is their eyeliner. It's a classic eyeliner in Khol Kajal. And I'm going in with their liquid liner for the top. Now you can tell I'm just doing very short strokes because I wanted it to be as close to my lash line as possible. We're not doing a wing. So I just wanted it to be very close to my lash line. Okay, on to foundation. I'm using my So Aesthetics foundation. It's an Asantewaa. I'm going to blend that into my skin. Now most of the brushes I used for the eyeshadow were from BVEE Beauty, the same people that own the eyeshadow. So these white brushes are from So Aesthetics. So I'm just going to use this paint brush, and then I'll go in with the So Aesthetics beauty blender to just properly beat it into my skin. Okay, now when I applied it initially, I thought it was too orange, but I blended it out properly with my beauty blender. So this is me deciding whether it matched the rest of my skin. And then as you can see, I'm raising my brows, so it's the affirmative. Yes, it is a good match for me. Unfortunately, I lost my concealing clip because the camera stopped recording. I didn't tell, sorry. So I'm just contouring now using my MAC blush. This is in Film Noir. And then we've brought everything together. I set my face, you know, we are ready to finish up the eyes, and then we glow. I'm feeling myself. We'll see, I'm looking good, girl. Oh, so I'm going back with Burn, which is the brown shade at the bottom. There's a light brown shade at the bottom of the palette, and then after that I'm going back in with Sister. And then this is the Black Secret mascara. I'm going to use a generous coating of this on my lashes to prep them for my false lashes. So for false lashes, I'm using lashes from Color Eyes, also a Ghanaian brand. This is in BVEE. I'm just going to easily, because this is difficult for some people, so I'm doing it easily. Thank you. I'm going to put that on my lashes and then make sure that it's properly stuck on my lash, and going with this So Aesthetics powder. This is in warm bronze. Now I'm just going to give extra shade to my under eye, and you see the difference that makes. Like, it just sort of takes out that, you know, that line, that fine line. So can you tell the difference? Yeah, it takes out that fine line. And then I'm going to go in with Carrot, which is that gold shade in the palette. I'm going to pop that into my into my inner corner. Oh my god, into my inner corner. And yo, that color pops, man. It pops. I'm going in with the Vita Joseph's pigment, the highlighter in Cosmios or Cosmio. I don't know how it's pronounced. I have to ask her. And then I'm just applying that to the highest point of my cheeks. And off camera, I applied it to my chin, Cupid's bow, bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my brow bone. So I'm now using the sleek blush, and then I use the darker shade. I had the So Aesthetics blush, but I forgot because I was using this product, and I was using the mirror in this product already, so I just used that. So I'll use the So Aesthetics blush in another video. So I'm now going to use this lipstick. It's in Angelina, and it's very sheer, so you have to go in over and over and over again. And I lost the clip of using the liner, but this liner is the So Aesthetics dark chocolate liner. And I went in with their lip gloss, which I love because the pigment, the lipstick, wow, the lipstick is in Blush and Bright, and as you can tell, the lip liner changed because I didn't like the brick red of the So Aesthetic liner, so I used my MAC chestnut liner. So here's the finished look, and oh, you can tell I'm feeling myself. Yes, girl. Yes, give it to them. They will take it. If I don't give it to you, how can you take it? You will take it. Look at that eyeshadow. It looks like glitter, but it is not glitter. The pigmentation, trust me, you will love it. You will love it. It's popping, like the beautician chick will say, it's popping. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned a thing or two. Kindly subscribe, comment, like, and again, subscribe. Thank you so much. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.